Longitude is the other coordinate that, with latitude, defines a specific position on the surface of the Earth. Like latitude, longitude is an angular measurement, measured at the centre of the Earth. However, unlike latitude, the equator cannot be used as the datum to measure the angle. What is needed is another datum that is at 90 degrees to the equator. Lines that run from pole to pole and cross the equator at 90 degrees are called meridians. There are many meridians on the Earth, but we need to identify one of them as a reference. The particular meridian used as a reference is called the Prime Meridian. It is this meridian that longitude is measured from. The Prime Meridian runs from pole to pole and bisects a place in London called Greenwich. The Prime Meridian is often referred to as the Greenwich Meridian for this reason. Longitude of any point is the shorter angular distance of the arc along the equator, between the Prime Meridian and the meridian through that point. The angle is measured in terms of whether it is east or west of the Prime Meridian. In this example on the screen, the longitude is west of the Prime Meridian. If the angle at the centre of the Earth between these two meridians was, for example, 40 degrees, then the longitude would be west 04,000. This means that the longitude is 40 degrees 0 minutes west of the Prime Meridian. All longitudes are 5 figures. The first 3 are degrees, and the last 2 are minutes. Longitude can be a maximum of either west 18000 or east 18000. This meridian is on the opposite side of the Earth to the Prime Meridian. A meridian that is 180 degrees from another meridian is called an antimeridian. In the case of the Greenwich Meridian, the east or west 18000 meridian is the antimeridian of the Greenwich Meridian.